In this video, I will show you how to turn off or on personalized ads on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open your settings, and then on your settings, scroll down and look for privacy and security. And here, scroll down and look for Apple advertising. And then inside this, you'll be able to find this personalized ads option. So if you enable this, Apple will be able to personalize your ad experience by tracking your behavior using your Apple phone. So if you enable this, you'll be able to receive personalized ads on different social media platforms installed on your device. But if you turn this off, you won't be able to receive that on such accounts. And that's basically how you can turn off and on personalized ads on iPhone.